Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. More gaming gears for me. I love it. I love this job. Today I got me a Logitech G733. Been eyeing this one forever. Got me a 533 the other day, and I have to say, I like the feel of it. This one right here should be pretty similar, except there's some extra blings to it, which is what I'm looking for actually. I need more bling in my life. So let's go ahead and unbox this and take a look at it. It's my first time seeing it. This one right here, the box does say it's 29 hours. Is that right? 29 hours with the RGB? Probably without the RGB. Probably without the RGB, I have to say. La, la, la. Oh, that's beautiful. Keeps playing. I love their packaging. You know that? It's just... Oh, okay, so this is nice right here. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera or not, but this is like a transparent type of material. It's not a pure white. It's like transparent. Got some cords here, probably charged. USB-C, I hope. Yep, USB-C. Oh, this is the mic. Look how cool that looks. I got the white one, okay? I got the white headphones. Nice G logo stickers and all that good stuff. Beautiful. Look at this. That looks good. That R and that L is very noticeable in there. And obviously, I'm not sure why they picked like the purple headband, to be honest with you. Not sure why, but the white comes with it, so. Not a fan of it. I mean, because, I don't know, it doesn't look like it belongs anywhere on here with this white. So yeah, the one special thing about this is that the little mic actually is detachable and all that good stuff. Also, this is really the lowest model that you can get with RGB on the side right here. That's the big difference between this and like the 533, all right? The cushion feels so good in here. This is like plush. Whew. The headband looks like it's adjustable. So look at this. There's this little lever right here. I believe you can take this out and adjust it to like another level. I have big head, so I don't think I'm gonna adjust it up there, but just to let you guys see it. See it? Okay, now let's put it back because I have big heads. By the way, if you're questioning like this choice of design right here, where the the little headband like this, you're wondering if this is better than some of the more traditional headband. I can tell you from my experience with the SteelSeries headset that I have, that I used for 2-3 years. This headband right here is fantastic. It is one of the most comfortable design that you will ever wear on your head. I can already tell you that because this is the same design that they took from SteelSeries. I actually prefer this headband right here. Only drawback is that over the years, obviously this is not gonna stay this tight, okay? But I like the fact that they make it to where it's super easy to remove. You see that? So I can probably grab another one and just replace it over the years. Very smart of them to do that. Nice mic, by the way. Yeah, this is so stylish. So this part right here is bendable, but this right here is not, okay? So there's only like up to that part that is bendable. There we go. Very nicely plugged in. I mean, it's... Only drawback about this though versus some of the other design that I've seen with Logitech is that I can't just collapse the mic up. I really like that one headset that they had where you can put the mic up and it will mute everybody, you know? So with this mic design right here, I have seen my kids, the way they've done it is when I start talking to them and they don't want my voice to come through the mic with their friends laughing at them, they actually, the way they do is they pull this right away out. As soon as they pull it out, it literally just mutes everything, right? So yeah, that's what they've done, which I guess this design will work for them. But if you're not that type, I believe one of these buttons is probably the mute button. I can't really see with the white like this. So this is the power button right here. So I believe this might be the mute button. Which, by the way, I'm really glad that they have a little texture on it to tell you that, hey, texture on the volume button here. That means texture on the mute button as well. Very nice design choice. The little things that you have to, you know, from a good company like Logitech, that's a must. So obviously, you're looking at this. You want to know what the RGB looks like. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Right there. Wow, that RGB looks really nice. You can tell the way it blends. Look at the way it blends. Look at it. You can tell this is good stuff right here. This is some good RGB. Let me just show you something. So this is my brand new G502X Plus that has RGB. They've really perfected the RGB right there. I can definitely tell that they took this RGB and put it on here, because you really don't see like where the bulb starts. It looks like it's just like a lava lamp type of flow. You see that? And that right there is exactly what this is. It's more like a lava lamp RGB. This is a high quality RGB, definitely. Now, in terms of the flexibility of this, I mean, you can see right here, I can bend this thing and it's yeah, it's gonna hold out. I don't think I have to worry too much about the flexibility on this one. So now let's talk about this design right here. Only drawback that I noticed about this design right here that Logitech has is that you can't really bend the cup. So the whole time you're putting your headphones down, if you're one of these guys that put your headphones down so you can talk to your family members or whatever after you play games, it's not very comfortable. It's very tight. You see, I have a small neck right here, but it's literally taking up all of my neck room right there. There's not a lot of movement at all. And as you can see, the mic like just stays there all the time. It's one of those annoyances with this design, in my opinion. Design wise, with this right here, my head is big, and I have a lot of hair on my head, so this fit my head perfectly. Like, there's not any more room that I can pull down on this. Obviously, the more use I get, the more it'll drag down. But right now, it fits perfectly. And I have a big head, like I said. I wear hats that are always bigger size than normal. But yeah, it looks good. I mean, right here, the design actually makes me look like Princess Leia. Very comfortable, very light on the head. All right. Well, only time will tell. I will play some games with this today and probably do an update video on it to let you guys know how it is. But so far, very light headset. The design is fantastic. If you wanted the neck wearer like these, you may not like it as much, in my opinion, because it's pretty tight and you can't tilt the cup or anything like that. So that's definitely a drawback right there. Other than that, the button feels good. The volume right here, when you scroll, there's actually little clicks to it, so you know that you are actually scrolling. But other than that, guys, it's one of the most nicest headset that I have in my inventory right now, for sure. Anyway, that's it for me right there. I'm out of here. Have a good one. Bye-bye.